So let's say you're already in tech and maybe you are working, say, support or help desk, or maybe some other junior roles. You're looking to transition into database administration because of the prospects, in terms of next step in your career, income, salary increases, or opportunities to earn more. How we phrase promotion sometimes it almost looks like it's built for only people who are just getting started in tech, but that's not the case. We've had folks who are already in tech looking to just expand their range. Some are doing it for particular responsibilities on the job that requires, okay, I want to learn more SQL because I am in a new role that requires I know something about it. So that might be you. Yes, you can. This will serve you for that purpose. Or maybe you're just looking to make a jump in your career. You already have the foundation and fundamentals. You have an unfair advantage, in that regards. In fact, typically what I've done with students who are in that boat is I put them on a faster track. So yes, you're still taking the same class and everything, but I'm expediting your process when it comes to hitting the job market. Reason is there are some fundamental things I expect you to already know. There are some I know you already know, so it's not just an expectation from nowhere. I know there's foundational things and concepts that you are already familiar with that will make your ability to absorb the concepts we explore in the programs easier, right? And you've already you already have experience navigating the workforce and all of that, which again is part of our training. And there's things and nuances that we get into, but you do have enough foundation to where I'm comfortable pushing you out a little earlier, right? Or challenging you to go for it a little earlier. You have a bigger bandwidth for errors because you kind of already dipped your feet in the water. You already swam, you already caught something before, and so it's fast track for you, I guess. So if you're in that boat, then absolutely, let's talk. I'd love to chat with you, see what your experience is and how that translates, and talk through how we can help you.